Lexus is revolutionizing its electric lineup with the introduction of the RZ 550e F Sport, the most powerful variant of the RZ series. Bringing F Sport performance and styling to the range for the first time, this all-wheel drive electric SUV offers an exhilarating driving experience, enhanced technology, and refined luxury. The new Lexus RZ lineup introduces 3 power options to cater to different driving preferences. RZ 350e with 224 din horsepower or 165 kilowatts. RZ 500e with 380 din horsepower or 280 kilowatts. And RZ 550e F Sport with 408 din horsepower or 300 kilowatts. Equipped with an improved lithium-ion battery or 77.0 kilowatt-hours and a new e-axle, the RZ delivers stronger acceleration and increased driving range. The RZ 550e F Sport, being the highest performing model, benefits from suspension tuning for sharper handling and a more engaging ride. Lexus has completely revised the RZ's battery electric system, optimizing power efficiency and enhancing range. Key improvements include battery preconditioning for optimized charging in cold temperatures, 22 kilowatts AC onboard charger for faster home and public charging, water cooling system for improved battery performance, and expected range increase of up to 100 kilometers, depending on the model and final homologation. Additionally, the towing capacity has doubled, allowing the all-wheel drive RZ to pull braked loads of up to 1,500 kilograms, increasing its practicality. For the first time, Lexus introduces interactive manual drive, an innovative system that replicates a manual transmission experience in a BEV. Drivers can use paddle shifters to control power output, mimicking the feel of an 8-speed virtual gearbox. The system provides real-time feedback through throttle response, sound simulation, and a rev limiter, enhancing engagement and creating a closer connection between driver and vehicle. A shift guide meter on the instrument display helps optimize gear changes. The RZ is the first Lexus model to feature a steer-by-wire system, eliminating the traditional mechanical connection between the steering wheel and wheels. This enables a compact, rectangular steering wheel, improving visibility and knee space. Precise steering control, with only 200 degrees needed from neutral to full lock. And dynamic steering ratio adjustments, optimizing maneuverability at low speeds and stability at high speeds. Lexus has refined its Direct 4 all-wheel drive system, ensuring a seamless distribution of power between the front and rear axles. This intelligent system adjusts torque in real time, enhancing traction, stability, and cornering performance. During acceleration, power shifts from 60 to 40 to 0 to 100 for smooth takeoff. In corners, torque distribution changes between 80:20 and 0:100, optimizing control. On exit, power is adjusted to maintain balance and ensure smooth acceleration. Additionally, the Vehicle Dynamics Integrated Management or VDIM system enhances handling, improving both ride comfort and emergency maneuverability. Inside, the F Sport interior enhances the driver-focused cockpit with exclusive black x dark gray upholstery accented by blue stitching. Features include F Sport Performance seats with integrated foaming for superior body support, microgeometric trim panel adding a futuristic touch, and F Sport scuff plates and aluminum pedal set for a sportier feel. The cabin remains exceptionally quiet, thanks to enhanced soundproofing and vibration reduction. Lexus has also introduced ultra-suede door panels, made from 30% plant-based materials, for a luxurious yet sustainable interior finish. Lexus debuts a dynamic ambient lighting system that projects shifting patterns, mimicking the passage of time for a relaxing and immersive atmosphere. The dimmable panoramic roof reduces glare and enhances the feeling of openness while allowing the simultaneous use of an electronic rearview mirror. The RZ 550e F Sport stands out with aggressive styling elements that serve both aesthetic and aerodynamic purposes. Front and rear spoilers improve stability. Brake cooling ducts enhance performance. Unique 20-inch aero wheels, designed with lightweight alloy and aerodynamic resin covers, reduce drag and enhance efficiency. Exclusive neutrino gray paint option, a bold, metallic finish that contrasts with the black styling accents. The Lexus RZ 550EF Sport redefines electric performance with its powerful 408 DIN horsepower drivetrain, Lexus' first interactive manual drive, steer-by-wire system, and direct 4 all-wheel drive control. Combining exhilarating performance, cutting-edge technology, and Lexus' signature luxury, this high-performance electric SUV is set to be a game-changer when it launches in autumn 2025.